salmon. Ayan. Tapos ang lox. What's up guys? Ayan. Magluluto naman tayo ng salmon with shrimp hipon, salmon natin guys. Alright. So tara, samahan niyo ako magluto ng sinigang salmon with hipon. Let's go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
guys, papakulo tayo ng tubig. Dito tayo magluto ng sinigang kasi medyo marami ito eh. Ayan. Tapos dyan, lagyan na tayo ng lemongrass. And then, sabay natin sa pakulo, kamatis, sibuyas, at saka luya. Ayan, kamatis, sibuyas, at saka luya. Sabayan natin to. Wow. Ricado pa lang. Panalo na. Alright. So, hintayin natin kumulo. Yan, kumulo na. Iuna natin ihalo yung ano, yung labanos. Kasi medyo matagal maluto yung labanos. Yan, iuna natin. Saka yung isda at saka hipon, madali lang maluto yun. So, labanos lang muna. Yun. Pangunan nga natin. Amoy pa lang. Ulam na. So, hintay lang natin yan na 3 to 4 minutes. And guys, after 3 minutes, halo natin yung ating salmon. Salmon fish. Yan, no? Overload naman to. Medyo marami tayong isda. Oh. Marami tayong isda, guys. Marami yung isda natin. Ayan, no? Sabi ko na nga ba, overload na naman to. Okay. Buusin na natin yan. Okay. Dami kasing Ricardo. Ayan, no? Then maglagay na tayo dito ng sinigang mix para halo na sa sabaw. Ayan. Then, partial tayo ng salt. Okay. Then, takpan muna natin to. Ayan, kumulo na. Kumulo na. Okay. So, at this point guys, tanggalin natin itong ano, so malaki masyado itong consume ng ano. Ito kasing lemongrass, okay na yan. Malasa na yung ano natin para makalagay pa tayo ng mga gulay. Okay. Halo natin yung ating hipon, shrimp natin. Good. Yes. Yan. Ating shrimp. Yun, no? And then yung ating sili. Sili panigang. Okay. Yan guys. So, nasolve naman yung ating sinigang ngayon. Susod natin yung sili para may anghang. Okay. Yung takpan. So, yan guys, kumulo na. Lagyan natin ng gulay. Ating cabbage. Yan, overload na naman ng gulay. Cabbage. Alright. Okay, mga 2 minutes lang to. Halo natin yung ating talbos ng kamote. Yun. After that, halo natin yung ating kamote tops. Always kamote tops kasi libre. Galing sa garden natin to. Okay, kamote tops. Always talaga tayo pag magsabaw tayo may kamote tops yan kasi may pure naman tayo dyan. Tsaka malunggay. Tanglad, libre na rin yan. Kaya magtanim lang kayo guys para may kaanihin. Okay. Yan. Nagulo na. So, hala tayo ng malunggay. Our malunggay. Titi na kung sabawan ni karon. Yan. Malunggay. Pagkalamia. Pagkalamia guys. Ayan o. Then spring onion, sibuyas dahon. Perfect nito. Alam na this. Okay. So yan guys. Yung finished product na natin to. Perfect na to. May perfect sinigang. Yun o. Lagyan natin. Lagyan natin sa ibabaw ng hipon para good ang looks. Tapos yung salmon. Ayan. Good ang looks. Alright. So yun po yung finished product natin. So may natin guys. Ayan o. Wow. Tirahin natin ng picture. Yun na po. So yan. Kainan na. Thank you so much.